Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to install the Sora by OpenAI on an iPhone, but you don't know how to do it. Then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already connected your device to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on your device. So if you have not done all of it, you may simply scroll from the very top right and you may simply connect it to Wi-Fi and data. So after that, you just need to open App Store on the device. So this is the home page of App Store where you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar and you'll see the option of search at the very top. So from here, you just need to search the app Sora and click on the option of get, which will be highlighted on here. So after that, you just need to click on the option of install, and if you have enabled the Face ID, then you just need to show your face and it will automatically start to install. But if you have not enabled it, you just need to enter the password for your Apple account. So enter the password and the download will automatically start on the device. So that's it. That's how you can download the Sora by OpenAI on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.